Personalized healthcare powered by blockchain, the future of medicine. In a world where medical records are stored on the blockchain, you have complete control over who can access them. Doctors and hospitals can access your medical records instantly, which can lead to faster and more accurate diagnoses and treatments. The use of blockchain technology ensures the security and privacy of your medical records, and you can share them with doctors and medical professionals easily. The use of blockchain technology in healthcare can lead to personalized healthcare advice based on your medical records, leading to better outcomes for patients. The use of blockchain technology in healthcare can also lead to automated prescriptions, ensuring that medications are recorded and tracked securely.